The Brazilian Hollywood wax is one of my favorite treatments to do. Each step that we take in a Hollywood wax is actually helping us for the next step that we're going to take. By removing the edges first, I'm giving myself an indication of how far to come in onto the labia, or the front lips, shall we say. I only concentrate on the hair that's on the front, and we do this at one step at a time. For obvious reasons, we don't want to stick anyone in the middle. It will be like glue and it will be the worst experience ever, so make sure you don't mirror image this section. Now, don't go worrying about the hairs that run in inside. Everyone gets them. You're not some weird yeti or beast. This is very, very common. But what I don't want to do is go and put hot wax straight back onto the labia, which is the more sensitive area of the bikini once you've just waxed. Now, let the skin cool by doing a few more steps on the top part of the bikini, then go back to your center bit, where you'll be able to use your thumb and finger to pull open the area if you can't see a clear line of where your hair is, and then run the hot wax into the center. It is hot wax, it is safe to use, it's not going to tug at anything that's inside. Any dangly bits, if you know what I mean, just pull it to one side with either your spatula or your finger and run the wax down the other side. It will not damage anything, and it will only stick to where there is hair. So if there's no hair, there's no damage, it will come off straight away as long as you're using the hot wax.